We're gonna make almond butter and honey Rice Krispie treats. Hi, I'm Sam, and this is Arthur.
Arthur.
Artie's 4.5. You might know us from our show Cook in a Half on Food 52. This is really easy. We have puffed brown rice cereal, almond butter, brown sugar, honey, salt, and chocolate chips for the top. So the first thing we have to do, we're gonna combine honey and brown sugar in our little pan, set up with a candy thermometer, and we're gonna cook it to 248 degrees. We're using kind of a mild honey, just because I think
Can
the
I
flavor.
taste some?
Yeah, taste some. 248. We're there. Now we're gonna fold in our almond butter. This is natural unsweetened almond butter. We need the salt into our almond butter, honey, and brown sugar mixture. All right, so now we're gonna pour this into our brown rice cereal.
Are we done now?
Almost. Now this goes into a baking pan that we've lined with parchment paper. Flatten it down into an even layer. I have 6 ounces of chocolate that I'm melting in the microwave, and that will just go on top. Look at that. Super easy. We'll just let it set at room temperature. Just slice them up and enjoy. Cheers.